If you see the improvement on the financial indicators, we're actually going through the right path. The issue, as I keep going back to, it's not an overnight thing. You need to look, for example, at the business processes. You need to look at the operations. You need to look at all of the legacy issues that we have had to deal with. One of the biggest challenges we have is the cost of the unfunded public mandate. The news division alone, it's a 1 billion operation, and we're not expected to get any revenue in return. The acquisition of sports rights, it's about 500 million a year. So overall, the SABC is spending over 1.5 billion on the cost of the public mandate. And unfortunately, as you very well know, only 3% of that comes from government.
Yeah.
We're going to be preparing for elections. That cost is actually borne by us. Every single thing, when you have to tell the stories of all South Africans in various townships and rural areas, that fund is carried by us.
Kusenjalo amalungu ekomidi lezokuXhumana ePhalamende ashaqekile ngokungalubhadi kaNgqongqoshe wezokuXhumana uKhumbudzo Ntshabeni kanye nePhini lakhe uPhilly Mapulane emhlanganweni obekufanele ubanjwe noMkhandlu omele eizifundazwe ePhalamende namhlanje. Laba bobabili bekufanele bethamele umhlangano kanye nebhodi leSABC ebelizochaza kabanzi ngamasu alo guqula izinto kumsakazilo omphakathi.
Lifikelela esiphelweni ixesha lebhodi exhuzula imikhala eSABC. Kushiyeke nje iiyure phambi kokuba ishiye iofisi ngomgqibelo. INCOP bifuna ulwazi kwibhodi malunga nokuba ikwazile kusini na ukwenza njengoko bekulindelekile. Kodwa khange kube njalo njengoko amanye amalungu ePhalamende ebefuna umphathiswa okanye isekela lakhe libe khona njengenhloko zopolitiko.
It is inappropriate. We have raised this in this committee all over and all over again. That there is no way we can have a state-owned entity appearing before us without the minister or her deputy.
We cannot have a presentation of the board, the most highest structure in an entity, presenting here without the political heads.
Minister and deputy minister, they are not respecting this committee.
Ekugqibeleni naxa ethandabuza usihlalo wekomiti uvumile ukuba intlanganiso imiswe.
We have to take that into account. However, given the fact that the view of the members of the select committee is that we must postpone, I now wish to grant that we postpone the meeting.
Tinglula Mama Kyawenda baze SABC ePhalamende eKapa.